Hi guys, this is Level Crossing Fan here, and I'm going to be bringing my Westinghouse hybrid bell at the Humffray Straight Level Crossing in Ballarat East. So this crossing used to have a hybrid bell from the early 1990s when the previous gated signals here were installed, till about 2008 or 2009 when they were replaced with Safe Tran Type 3s. And then in mid-2016 the previous gated signals were replaced with new ones, which are the current ones here. So yeah, pointless upgrade because the signals already had LED lights and Safe Tran Type 3s and flat gates. They're in very good condition as well, but had Westinghouse EB gate mechs. So yeah, should have only replaced the gate mechs instead of the whole signal, instead of the gated signals themselves. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Oh my god. Well guys, I just caught the new 3-gen velocity set. So the other set's the older velocity set. That was a lucky catch, that was really unexpected.